That's a great question. Random question. How do you make it look like pivot stick figures are in your desktop like Alan Becker did, but without using Adobe Flash or Adobe Animate? Well, Ray Gaming, hopefully this will answer your question. First, yeah, you can. And it's actually really easy, okay? So here's how it works. On your keyboard is a button. Up here, it's called print screen. Okay, the print screen button, or PRTSCN, or you can do a screenshot. Using, any screenshot, you have a thing called the snipping tool that lets you select it. But basically, what I did is I screenshot the background. So I would go to my desktop and I would just press print screen. When you press it, it doesn't look like anything happens. Although now it's saying, "Hey, do you want to save it to OneDrive?" It does that on your computer. I opened up a graphic design program. You could use Pixlr. There's a lot of videos on my. In fact, I'll use Pixlr. Let's go to Pixlr. Don't save. So Pixlr. By the way, here's Alan Becker's video with lots of cool animation on the desktop. Now I'm not going to get into how he moves everything, but for now, but basically, I'm going to go Pixlr.com. And I'll just use Pixlr to do this real fast. Okay, I've already copied. Right, I copied. Once you press the print screen button, as soon as you hit Control V, CTRL, and the V key, you're going to paste it. It should paste it. Now it's going to paste. For me, it's going to paste all three of my screens. So I'm just going to get this screen here, like this. Okay. And now I have my screen. And then I can just save it. File, export as a PNG, and save it wherever you want to call it. I'll just call it Windows Desktop, and I'll put it on the desktop. Save. Oh, wait, no. Windows Desktop 2, because I already have one. Save it. Go to Pivot. And go File. Load back image. This is the new Pivot 5. Older one, I think, is just load background. And we'll load that background. Windows Desktop 2. Open. And now you can see there's my background with my photo in the background. So yeah, there you go. Thanks for asking that question, and have fun. Basically, to do like other cool stuff, like for example, having your character like destroy one of these icons, you need to zoom in, take a picture of that icon, clean it up in another program, and then load it as what's called a sprite inside of Pivot. You can load sprites. So you can load any image you can see. I have a video that says how to load anything you can see into Pivot. And then you can basically like take any of these images of these little icons, you can load them all in, and then he can, like, the character, whoever they, can hit the icons and throw them around and explode them. That's a lot more steps, but it's totally doable. So anyway, thanks for asking that great question. It was so good that I thought I really needed to make a video to answer that question. So I hope that is helpful. And have a great weekend, depending on when you see this. I don't know. Bye.